How to install a retractable hose by Retraflex. Step 1. Take measurements and identify the location of where pipes will go through. With the inlet itself, mark the location of the hole to cut out for the pipe to go through. Cut out the hole with a 2.5-inch diameter hole saw. Step 2. Install the inlet. Make sure that the stud on which the inlet will be installed is leveled. Mark the inlet's desired height, 16 to 30 inches, on the stud. If the inlet is installed upwards, the height should be 36 to 48 inches instead. Use the provided screws to secure one side of the inlet on the stud. Make sure the inlet is leveled. Put a second stud in place, making sure it's level too. Use the 2 other screws to secure the other side of the inlet to the second stud. Step 3. Install the piping. Measure and cut the length of piping required to reach the basement. Insert the pipe in the hole you cut out and glue the other side to the inlet. Step 4. Install the wiring. Connect the inlet's low-voltage wire to the rest of the network's low-voltage wire. Secure using twist-on wire nuts. Fasten the wires to the pipe using a tie wrap. Step 5. Continue installing the piping. Once in the basement, continue the piping network the same way.
Use the pipe cutter to cut your PVC to the right length.
Make sure to apply the glue on the outside of the pipe's male part rather than inside the fitting's female part. Step 6. Secure the piping. Secure the pipes to the beams using pipe straps, being careful not to squeeze the pipes. Step 7. Use a maximum of 4 long radius 90 degrees elbows to cover at least the length of the hose, plus an extra 10 feet before connecting to the main pipe run, which connects all the inlets to the vacuum unit. Step 8. Insert the inlet. Once the walls are painted, remove the cover plate with a screwdriver. Insert the frame of the door into the casing and secure using the screws. Finish tightening the screws by hand. Make sure the door closes properly. Step 9. Insert the hose. Insert the hose inside the inlet and turn on the system by pulling the handle. To retract the hose, push on the handle and put your hand over the end of the hose. Push the red tab or simply close the door to turn off the system.